Okay, tonight we are going to talk about this piece, which originally is just a stone, like this. So one piece, one stone. This piece originally is just a stone, like this, one piece. And then, at a certain point, you buy it, you cut it, and inside you find white jade. This is not the best quality of white jade that you can find, because if you can see, it is slightly cloudy. It is not transparent. There is a slight cloudiness, but it's a very nice kind of it's a nice stone, and most importantly, it is crackless. It doesn't have any crack. When you buy jade, always make sure that what you are buying has not got any cracks, because the crack decreases hugely the value, like 20-30 times less. So if you buy a stone, you cut it, you open it, and it has no cracks like this piece, you made a very, very good deal. So what did I do? I was thinking of keeping the two pieces together even after the master had finished carving them. So I brought to the master one half, and I made him do this butterfly on one side. As you can see, the body of the butterfly, is translucent, while the wings are stony. This is because the master used a technique to carve the jade that went on a deeper level on the body, exposing the deepest side of the skin of the stone. So the deepest side, the deepest point becomes translucent. But for the wings, he has let the stony surface. He has let the stony surface on the wings, in order to give to the sculpture this kind of sugar candy texture, which I like very much, and I have not seen on any other piece. So thumbs up for the carver this time. And after seeing this, I am very happy about the carving, but not so much about the cut. As you can see here, the cut is very, very sharp, and you almost can't see the natural stratification of the stone. So here there is the jade who has become a stone, and here it becomes always more translucent, and then finally it becomes white. So the passage from brown to white should be much more emphasized in the cut also outside. So I'm going to take this piece to the master, and I will make him do this lateral cut a bit more inclined, with a 45 inclined degree, so it will be shiny also on the side, not only on the surface. Anyway, if I turn on the light, you will see how transparent is this piece. It's very, very transparent. The light is still here, but you can already see that it lit up like a light bulb. If I put the light slightly more on the subject, it will glow. It will glow like a light bulb. If I put the light here, you can see all the details on the wings. And completely crackless. No cracks. No cracks at all. Anyway, I tell you a trick. How to check if a piece of jade has cracks or not. Before you put the torch on the stone like this, and you check for longitudinal cracks, and then to check if it has some hidden crack which go not which go exactly 90 degrees from the cut, so you don't see them with the light hitting the rock at 90 degrees. You take the torch and you rotate it like this from the middle of the stone. You rotate it around the stone, and you will see also the hidden vertical cracks, and this piece has none, so crackless piece. So how to make it go together with the other one? I will tell the master to make a worm on this side. So on one side there is the butterfly, which is the result, and on this side I will make a worm, caterpillar, the caterpillar, and then inside here and here on the inside part I will tell the master to make some flowers, flowers, probably some daisy flowers. And so hopefully after those two stones will go together very well. And I like to make pieces which preserve the skin of the jade, because who enjoys the stone, enjoy to watch the stone, if we take a torch and we try to understand how could you choose this piece, why did you choose this one? I didn't know, it's completely by chance, because when you point your torch on the jade, you can absolutely see if there is any transparency inside. From outside it's impossible to tell, but once that you open it, of course, it reveals the beauty inside. So I want to keep the natural mystery, the partial natural mystery, by keeping the I want just to rectify something. This is not jade, this is not nephrite, I mean, this is jadeite. It's jadeite from Burma. Jadeite is not the same material as nephrite, and it's only coming from Burma and a few other places in the world, and it is more bright. The vibrance of jadeite is much higher than the one of the nephrite, which is always a bit more elegant, but also less bright, less vibrant.